adventure. So we're here in San Gerardo De Dota, which is 2,500 meters above sea level. Not that far from Capos where we live. We came 3 hours in the car, drove up. I mean, beautiful scenery. We got up to, I think, 3,500 meters above sea level. The temperature went from 33, 34 degrees Celsius down on the coast to 9 degrees 2 hours later. Just insane as you're climbing the mountain here in Costa Rica. And it goes from super hot to pretty much freezing cold. You know, we started in our shorts and t-shirt, and quickly we were starting to wrap up and all getting cold. Right now we're in the cloud forest, so we're doing some hikes. We've got a small little hotel which is absolutely beautiful, right on the kind of in the upper Savegre River. Like there's a lot of trout up here. We got nice little trout streams, great bird watching, and we're just doing some hikes today with the kids. And really stunning scenery. Enjoy, guys.
Heartbeats only happen one at a time, one at a time. You can't rush a moment, so don't even try, don't even try. There's a symphony you're missing. If you only listen, you'll find big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments. There's no use in chasing nickels and dimes, nickels and dimes. Riches all around you. Open your eyes, open your eyes. You can't buy the peace you're after, so don't even try. 'Cause you'll find big magic in the mundane, the big picture in a small frame. Everything is sacred when you take time to notice. Big love happens in the small moments. Big love happens in the small moments.
Reached the Mirador. It's absolutely beautiful. Did you enjoy that, honey? The kids had an awesome time inside the jungle and into the forest, and now we've reached this Mirador, and Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous view, guys. Absolutely recommended for those who love hiking and adventures in Costa Rica.
Run into the night, you and me, looking up, and now we see.
Again, that's the end of our hike, and it took more than 2 hours with the kiddos, and we had such an amazing time. Check this place out if you're down here, Gerardo De Dota. Amazing hike, absolutely recommended. Cheers! That's a jungle toilet. Nice.
Talk about peeing in the jungle and everybody can see you. Go through the windows and it is so crazy.
Leads us on.